This is Mamuni. Thank you so much for being Amar Baba Ma. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. As the Union Budget 2025 approaches, all eyes are on what Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will include in her budget proposal. The Indian middle class taxpayers and the senior citizens are particularly hopeful for tax concessions to be announced on 1st February 2025. Now, what is the budget 2025 latest update? No worries. In this video, I am going to tell you everything about budget 2025 latest update in simple language. So, let's get started. As we all know, starting from Budget 2024, the default tax filing regime is the new tax regime, which has a simplified process but limited deductions or exemptions. Meanwhile, the old tax regime, which provides various deductions or exemptions, is still an option but not the default anymore. Taxpayers must assess which regime suits them best based on their financial objectives. According to the sources, the government is thinking of reducing income tax for people who earn up to rupees 15 lakh per year in February's budget 2025. Now let's take a look at the new income tax slabs in the new tax regime announced in the budget 2024. Income tax slabs for financial year 2024-25, assessment year 2025-26 under new tax regime. The taxpayers of India earning up to rupees 3 lakh annual income will pay zero tax or nil tax. That is, no tax is payable on annual income up to rupees 3 lakh by the taxpayers. The taxpayers of India earning rupees 3 lakh to 7 lakh annual income will pay 5% income tax. The taxpayers of India earning rupees 7 lakh to 10 lakh annual income will pay 10% income tax. The taxpayers of India earning rupees 10 lakh to 12 lakh annual income will pay 15% income tax. The taxpayers of India earning rupees 12 lakh to 15 lakh annual income will pay 20% income tax. And lastly, the taxpayers earning above rupees 15 lakh annual income will pay 30% income tax. So, according to a Reuters report, the government is actively considering tax relief for the middle class, particularly earning up to rupees 15 lakh annually. The 2025 budget to be tabled on 1st February may include an announcement on the tax breaks. This action is intended to boost consumer spending and stimulate the economy. Income tax may be reduced for those individuals earning up to rupees 15 lakh annual income. Now, who will benefit if this is implemented in Union Budget 2025? Well, if this is implemented, millions of taxpayers might benefit greatly, especially city dwellers living in urban areas burdened by high living costs. The upcoming Union Budget 2025 may provide relief to the middle class and boost consumption. Moreover, with Budget 2025 approaching, debates intensify over the potential scrapping of the old tax regime amidst tax reforms. Will the old tax regime face the X? We don't know. The taxpayers of India are all eagerly awaiting potential changes to ease their financial burden, especially as inflation has raised the cost of living. As the government finalizes the budget 2025, we can only hope that our expectations will be met, right? If the sources are to be believed, the government can increase the limit of income tax exemption up to rupees 50,000 in the budget. At the same time, the limit of standard deduction can be increased to rupees 1 lakh. At present, this limit is rupees 50,000 in the old tax regime, while in the new tax regime, this limit is rupees 75,000. In such a situation, the government can increase it by another rupees 25,000. Currently, the tax rate on annual income of rupees 12 lakh to rupees 15 lakh is 20%. Currently, under the new tax regime, tax rebate under section 87A up to rupees 25,000 is applicable if the total income does not exceed rupees 7 lakh. Currently, under the old tax regime, tax rebate under section 87A up to rupees 12,500 is applicable if the total income does not exceed rupees 5 lakh. Things to remember while availing rebate under section 87A. Number 1. The rebate can be applied to the total tax before adding a health and education cess of 4%. Number 2. Only resident individuals are eligible to avail rebate under this section. Number 3. Senior citizens above 60 years and below 80 years of age can avail a rebate under section 87A. Number 4. The amount of rebate will be lower than the limit specified under section 87A or total income tax payable before cess. Number 5. Section 87A rebate is available under the old and new tax regime. Moreover, marginal relief is available under the new tax regime only. Hence, if an individual is opting for the old tax regime, then he or she will not be able to claim marginal relief. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your precious time. I sincerely hope this was helpful.